Hello everyone, and welcome to DUS 260, the final week, week 6. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the IMC planning process. We're going to focus on the 3 C's: customers, competition, and communications. The IMC planning process starts with an analysis of the context, which involves the 3 C's: customers, competitors, and communication. From the analysis of the 3 C's, decisions about the target market and product positioning can be made. It's a joint decision because one affects the other. Next, communication objectives are formulated. From the objectives come the budget and a selection of the appropriate IMC components. Again, it is a mutual decision because the budget impacts which IMC components can be used, and the selection of the IMC components affect the budget. The customer analysis involves looking at 4 different types of customer groups. The most obvious group is current customers. They'll be the easiest to study. But former customers are important, especially learning why they are former customers and why they switched to another brand. Potential customers is an important group to understand because this may be a primary group to be targeted with an advertising or marketing campaign. The last group is the competitors' customers. Why they purchase from the competition and what would it take to get them to switch? In designing ads, it's important to know which group is being targeted. The second phase of the company's context analysis is examining competitors. The process should start by identifying major competitors, a firm's most direct competitors. And then they should examine each competitor's communication strategies and tactics. So ask questions like, what are they telling their customers and how are they communicating with customers? While the goal is not to copy what the competition does, it's important to know what they are doing. Sources of information for examining competitors include primary sources, secondary data, and what others say. Often primary research can be conducted by visiting competing businesses or buying their products. Searching the library for information can be very helpful to learn what's being written about the company and by others. And finally, we come to the third component of the analysis, which is examining communications. It's important to know what the company is communicating to customers, to channel members, employees, and all the stakeholders about the brand. A further focus should be on the communications used in the industry and by competitors. All of this information provides guidance to marketers in developing an integrated marketing campaign. And that's my mini lecture for our final week, and I hope to see you in the discussion later today.